Hi, my name is Allegra Jaffe, and I am a caregiver specialist with the Fairfax Area Agency on Aging. And today I am going to show you an overview of the programs and services that we provide to the community for family caregivers of older adults who may be aging in place and for those who are caring for a loved one with disabilities. So let's start with our very first big tip and resource, which is our Aging, Disability, and Caregiver Resource Line. This is our gateway to get connected to the programs that we provide. You can give us a call at 703-324-7948. You will be connected to a master level social worker on the other line who can walk you through the different services that are available. Maybe you're not sure where to start. Share with them what's going on in your journey. Maybe you're concerned about a neighbor or someone else that you know. Give them a call and they can talk through different options of how to help. They are available Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30 p.m. And again, this is a must answer line. And all the services I'm about to share with you, this is the way to get connected, is again this number. It's the 703-324-7948. You also can do an intake form online to ask questions if you're not available during that time. Online, you can go to www.fairfaxcounty.gov/older-adult, and you can type in the different questions that you may have for this resource line. Or you can leave a voice message and they will get back to you as well. So again, big tip, big takeaway is this is how to access our programs, is by calling us at the 703-324-7948. So my next tip is, if you're a caregiver, please make sure you're getting respite time for yourself. You're taking care of yourself. Caregiver burnout is a big concern for us caregivers. So we want to make sure you're taking care of yourself and your loved one has a safe place to be taken care of while you're getting a break. So I'm going to share with you some respite programs and services that we provide and some different services that we partner with as well. We have the Commonwealth Coordinated Care Plus waiver. This waiver provides assistance with personal care, instrumental activities of daily living, such as housekeeping, laundry, meal prep, among many other tasks. And to qualify for the waiver, the applicant must meet a financial and functional criteria. So please give us a call to see if this would be available to you. We also partner with Inova with a program called ElderLink. And so the Fairfax Area Agency on Aging has a partnership with ElderLink, and they provide in-home respite services to come to your home. They have two different types of services. A traditional service, and that service is a fee-based service, but they do have a sliding scale, and they also have a volunteer-based respite program as well, where volunteers who are trained can come to the home. So that is another great option. Please give us a call to see if this would be a good service and fit for you. We provide a home care registry as well at the Fairfax Area Agency on Aging. This registry has private providers on the list. They're not affiliated with home care agencies, they're private providers, and they do a range of services such as in-home companion care, personal care, and chore services. And they have their own type of, you give them a call and see what their fees are and where they will travel to. But these are vetted providers that we have a list of if you're looking for some in-home care. In addition to some other different ways to get respite, We have adult day health centers. These are centers where your loved one could come during the day to engage in some socialization, meet new friends, do different activities, maybe some light exercise. They provide different meals and transportation. And so it's a terrific spot to go to let your loved one also have maybe a little break from you, right? And you get a break as well. And so there is a sliding fee scale available, and scholarships are also available for adult day health centers. So please give us a call to see what center may be in your area and how we can connect you. The Virginia Life Respite Program. This is a program that provides reimbursement vouchers to Virginia primary caregivers for the cost of the temporary and short-term respite care that are provided to individuals of any age with a documented disability or medical condition. So again, give us a call if you'd like to learn more about the Virginia Life Respite Program and how that may be applicable to you. Some supportive services that we provide. As a caregiver, it can be difficult to connect to friends or family who may not be caregivers themselves. They might, not be able to fully understand what you're going through. So we have a virtual social visitor program. And this is where you can get on the phone with somebody and talk to somebody who most likely is a family caregiver themselves, just to chat, just to have another outlet. Maybe it's to vent or to, share tips and just have someone who you can connect to and to empathize with. And so this is a free program. They're vetted volunteers who make regular phone calls with you to support you. So please feel free to give us a call again to get connected to that program if you're looking for that type of support. We have a Virginia Insurance Counseling and Assistance Program. By short, we call it VICAP. This is a terrific program that offers free, unbiased, confidential counseling and assistance for Medicare beneficiaries. So give them a call if you're trying to navigate the Medicare world and you want unbiased opinions and unbiased counseling. It's confidential once again, and it's free to you to utilize. So please get connected to VICAP if that's something that you're looking for as well. Meals on Wheels is a terrific program that provides home delivered meals to your loved ones who might not be able to prepare the meal for themselves. Maybe no one's home during the day to prep their meals. So these are nutritious meals that your loved one can easily, it's already prepped. So I believe they microwave them, and we have some other food that comes with it to help bridge that gap. Or maybe you have a loved one who does live alone. This is another service that can help with making sure that they are getting their meals in. So please give us a call about the Meals on Wheels program that can come to you. Educational programs. We've all heard the saying, possibly, knowledge is power. And as a caregiver, there is so much to learn and to know in the caregiving world. And so we have put together webinars to help provide more education just for caregiving. So we do this on a monthly basis. And it's open to the community, of course, to family caregivers, to your partner, to friends. You might be a neighbor caregiver, so please come and join us. We have different topics we do every month. And if you're not able to make it, still feel free to register, because we will send you the recording. We also have a recording of our webinars that are available on our website and our YouTube playlist. So there are many other ways to still watch these webinars, even if you're not available for the live session. We provide caregiver panel conversations. This is where we bring on a panel of experts to talk about caregiving subjects. Another terrific way to continue just to stay in the loop with the caregiving world. Health and wellness workshops and intergenerational programs are some hands-on workshops that we provide. We have done yoga and dance. For intergenerational programs, we're having programs the whole family can do. So maybe you're caring for a parent or an older adult and your own child. So this is a program where everybody can come together to do an activity, such as yoga, music, drama. So we have those programs available. And if you're not able to make it, we will have the recordings available to you so you can sit down and enjoy some time with the family as a whole. Dementia-friendly sessions. Dementia Friends is a global movement, and it is now underway in the USA. In Virginia, it is underway, and we have different action teams. In Fairfax County has an action team that really tries to make sure we're becoming a dementia-friendly community. So we provide information sessions so that you can learn how to effectively communicate with people who are living with dementia. You can know some of the most common types of dementia and how to support the caregiver and those who are living with dementia, and let's stop the stigma of dementia. And so those are sessions that are ongoing. The action team has ongoing sessions to be a part of. So feel free to come and become a dementia friend and learn more about how to become dementia friendly. Some subscriptions to keep you in the loop. We have a Fairfax Caregiver Alert notification. This program uses weekly emails and text messages and voice communication methods to share resources about our workshops, the webinars, support groups, case management, and other services. You can subscribe at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/alerts and select Area Agency on Aging. So this is a great way to stay in the loop on a weekly basis of what's coming up that month and different programs we're doing. We also have a monthly caregiver web letter that comes out each month, and it goes to your email. This just has monthly programs in one spot that you may be interested in joining. If that is something you would like to become a part of our contact list on, please let us know. At the beginning of this presentation was my phone number. You're more than welcome to give me a call and let me know you would like to be on that contact list. My number again is 703-324-2019. You could always call again our main aging and caregiver and disability resource line I spoke about and say, hey, I would like to be on the caregiver web letter, and they will get you connected with me or one of my coworkers. The Golden Gazette is a free monthly community newsletter, and this covers a variety of topics and community news concerning older adults and caregivers in the Fairfax area. It's terrific. We have a lot of, we just have so much going on in this area, and we have so many services and resources. We could be here all day talking about them. So it's a great way, again, just to stay connected. You never know what you don't know. So it's a great way to see what's happening in your area and how you can find support for yourself or your loved one. We have ElderLink programs, and again, ElderLink is that partnership that we have with Inova, and they partner with us at the Fairfax Area Agency on Aging. And these programs provide some support for you. So we have a virtual caregiver support call. This is This is a call that you can do on the phone or you can do it on Zoom. It takes place the second Tuesday each month from 7 to 8 o'clock. And they do different topics each month about caregiving topics, where you can have a safe place to chat with other caregivers and find support and learn about different things you may not have known in caregiving and share and connect with each other. So it's a great support group. It's a support call, and you can come and go to those when you're available. And again, it's the second Tuesday each month from 7 to 8. Caring for You, Caring for Me. This is a free 5-week program, and it offers support and education to caregivers of older adults. It focuses on the advocacy and care for both the caregiver and the care recipient and receiver, I should say. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble with that word. And so Caring for You, Caring for Me is a class that is ongoing that we provide through ElderLink, and really do recommend it. It's a great spot to continue to get that support that you will need. Caregiver consultations are also provided through the ElderLink partnership. They offer support and guidance for caregivers, and this is a free consultation over the phone. So maybe you need more in-depth ideas or resources, and this is a great place to get connected to with ElderLink. Just let us know that you would like a consultation. So some other programs as we wrap up. The Northern Virginia Long-Term Care Ombudsman Program, they are advocates for you and your loved ones who may be in a long-term care facility. So if you have any concerns, anything pops up that you're just not sure what to do about, you can give them a call, and they will advocate and look into what may be going on that you're concerned about. So they are terrific. This is, we have these statewide, these ombudsman programs. And so we have one here just for Northern Virginia. So please connect with them if you have concerns or want to get more information about how to make informed decisions about maybe if you're looking for a facility or how to know how to navigate that field. So that's a great place to go to. Our Fairfax County libraries are terrific. They offer so many different activities, classes, trainings. They have one-on-one tech trainings. So please feel free to check out the library website or give them a call. They have a lot of online programs and in-person programs to look at, even, gardening programs, et cetera. It changes all the time. So please feel free to look into that for activities for you and or your loved one. Safe disposal of medicines is important. I'm sure, there's different medication that may be stopped, or you need to find a safe place to dispose of it. So Fairfax County has many options of how to safely dispose your unused or expired medications. So please, again, you can call our main resource line and ask them how to get connected to picking up the different resources of how to dispose of that medication. And lastly, we have the Community Service Board has an app called My Strength Wellness app. And this is for a smartphone user. And it's an app that promotes mental health and well-being. And this app has safe and secure personalized sets of tools to help support your mind, body, and spirit. So if you're a smartphone user, this is free for you to use. It's an initiative so we can all continue to take care of our overall wellness. And that is it. I'm at the end of our presentation and our time together. I thank you so much for wanting to take care of yourself and your loved one, and for learning about the different services that we provide here at the Fairfax Area Agency on Aging. We want to be a support to you, so please reach out if we can help you or your loved one. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.